Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do an in-depth love read for you today. Let's see how you're doing, Sagittarius, how your person is doing, and what action can we expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings, Sagittarius, will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Saggis, let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Sagittarius, if you're new here, if you enjoy the reading, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And newbies, I'm setting down now 2 sets of cards. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person. And in the center, I'll have your dialogue message cards and your action cards. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Saggis, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right, action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Justice card, but unfortunately in reverse, Sagittarius. So things are quite imbalanced. Somebody didn't bring justice to this connection, it seems. Let me take a look at the cards. So I don't know which side you're going to be on, Sagittarius. That's up to you to figure out. For me, I'm reading the energies as person A and person B. So person A is feeling that there's been a tower moment. Maybe there's been a big fight between the two of you and everything has collapsed. Where person B is concerned, yes, they also feel the stagnancy and feel a decision has been made regarding this connection. So I don't know what decision has been made. I will clarify all these cards, but I'm going to start right now, Saggis, with some dialogue message cards between the two of you. See if there was anything you could say to each other, what that would be. And even before that, we're going to take our angel blessing card, Sagittarius. See how my angels are going to bless this reading. Blessing, guidance, advice, learning experience. So this could have been a karmic situation, Sagittarius. Some karmic soulmates also come to your life, right? For a reason, season, or a lifetime. They teach you some very hard lessons. So this entire thing could have been a learning experience. I don't know. We'll get to know more about this lesson as we go through your reading. But now let's do our dialogue message cards and see what you would say to each other if you could. So Sagittarius and their person, spirit. Sagittarius and their person. If they could say something to each other now. Okay. And I'm going to take a couple more from here. Sagittarius, another deck. Sagittarius and their person. All right. Good to go, Saggis. Okay. So the first card here, Sagittarius, says, I may not be good enough for you. You seem to have high standards. I didn't really believe in marriage until I met you. So maybe somebody wanted to be married and the other person used excuses to say, hey, I'm not good enough for you. I'm not sure if you love me for me or who you think I am. I intuitively know that we will unite in divine timing. Somebody really here wanted this connection where the other person, I think, was always looking for an excuse. You check all my boxes. How can that be possible? I'm embarrassed over how desperate I became and what I did. Do you still respect me? I realize that I do want you in my life. Is it too late? Okay, so there's a big chance now of somebody realizing that they've lost their person because of all their excuses now. Let's see if it is too late. I'm going to start with the energy of person A, Sagittarius, and see where they're at, and then we'll move on to person B. Then we'll do the action cards. So, Tower in reverse, spirit. Why does person A have the Tower in reverse with the Knight of Swords in reverse? Somebody was emotionally very overwhelmed because of maybe there was a fight, somebody turned their back on this connection. They just didn't want to lose maybe their person. Somebody didn't want, yeah. Somebody was not offering commitment here. Maybe there was a fight that, hey, I cannot offer you commitment, but let's still be together or stay in touch. Let's not change the way the things are already. Somebody, there was probably a fight about this, that I don't want to change the way things are going. If we are just friends with benefits, let's say, let's not talk about commitment or marriage. And that kind of really drained this Queen of Cups, because this Queen of Cups, I think, really did love. They did really love person B, I think. But somebody had a fight with them and the Tower came down. There was an argument, a nasty fight. Words could have been exchanged to say, hey, why do you want to change the way things are? I'm not interested in commitment or marriage. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? Page of Cups and the Eight of Pentacles. I think somebody made a love offer here. That, hey, I want us to work on this connection. Or maybe person A was putting in a lot of work. Maybe went towards person B with, yes, let's get married. Let's, I love you. Can we get married? Can we work on this connection? And that's when maybe the fight took place. Yes, somebody refused here. Somebody refused that I'm not interested. I'm not interested in commitment. I'm not interested in marriage. Eight of Pentacles, Spirit. Eight of Pentacles in the recent past. Yeah, Tower came down. Tower has come down again because somebody was not ready to commit. Somebody did not reciprocate the offer of long-term potential or partnership, or at most possibly a marriage. So how does person A now feel about the connection? They're feeling very lonely and sad. I think they've gone into hermit mode. They feel a choice and a decision has now been made. Things are in troubled waters. They're feeling very sad and lonely and by themselves. They're trying to understand. They're also very angry, yes. There's a lot of anger because they feel they've been pushed off their pedestal. They feel like they are the loser in this connection now, and that's making them very upset and very angry. They may be, trying to get spiritual help, or this person is very lonely and alone, person A. Why? All because of somebody not offering them what they wanted. Ten of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, this offer was, they were waiting maybe for somebody to message them or offer them or have this creative, passionate new beginning which could lead towards long term. I think this never happened. And person A is in deep contemplation, in hermit mode, feeling upset, angry, feeling they lost because of somebody else's decision. So what action will person A take? We'll open later. Let's go on to person B's end and see what's really happening in their life. Page of Pentacles in reverse and the Two of Wands in reverse. So yes, things have really stagnated from their end as well, because they have made a choice, they've made a decision. They feel that's the right choice. That is justice. That is the way things should be. And instead of, hanging on and waiting for something, let's just call it quits. If, yeah, see, Page of Pentacles in reverse again. This card is here twice. Page of Pentacles in reverse, Page of Pentacles. This is like total halt and stagnation coming from this end. They feel whatever decision they have made is the right decision. What's this decision, Spirit? Yes, they just want to be happy with person A, with or without. If they can't be happy, then they'd rather stop this connection because they don't see a future. They want happiness without commitment. This is their decision, and they feel this is the just and fair decision, which I don't think person A agrees to at all. Because person A is not happy without commitment. Person B wants to be happy without commitment. So that's the disparity here. What happened in the... Yes, person... This is another card. I forgot to pick it up. Three of Wands in reverse. So person B is basically saying, don't wait around for me. Don't wait around for long term. Okay, we are happy when we are happy. But, don't wait for me. Don't wait for that offer that you want. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? King of Swords in reverse and the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, somebody was very unemotional here. They were very unemotional. They were delaying. They were not wanting to get into any conflict, but they were also very cold and calculating. They basically, in their heart of hearts, I think they wanted to release the expectancy, or expect this person A to expect that they would ever offer a connection or long term. So they could have been rude or harsh or mean as well, all because they didn't want to offer the security to their partner. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, there was this fight. There was this fight where I think they opened up to this person A and said it all. And it wasn't pretty. There were harsh, unemotional words which were spoken here, where things were revealed that they were not interested. This is a very hard reading, I know, but well, it's here. So how does person B now feel about person A, Spirit, or the connection? Knight of Wands upright. They still have a lot of passion for person A. They want to be in and out of person A's life. This is the kind of connection person B is wanting. Don't ask me for commitment. If you want, I'll be available to you for fun. But I'm not interested in getting stuck. They don't want to be stuck in a connection which can hold them down. They like this freedom of let's just be friends. When I come in, I'll be with you. We'll have a passionate time or two and then I'll be gone again. This is how person B is viewing this connection. That it's just fun. I mean, I don't want to get stuck here. Am I right, Spirit? Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Yeah, when the topic of working together comes, then they ghost. Then they run away. Then they don't want to talk about it. Don't talk about building something. Don't work about a solid foundation. That I don't want to talk about. Talk about this. Talk about having a bit of fun. I'm all in. And the Hanged Man in reverse, Spirit? Hanged Man in reverse. Yes, this person has escaped this connection from what I see. They feel it's better to put an end to this connection, even if that means being left out in the cold or leaving my person out in the cold. I'm not going to subject myself to be under any emotional pressure to commit. Yes, no wonder the Justice card was in reverse, which was the overall energy of our reading. And no wonder Spirit is calling it a learning experience. This could be a karmic connection. So let's see. And somebody is saying, I mean, what was the card? Let me just see it again. I'm embarrassed over how desperate I became and what I did. Do you still respect me? And this could be person A who was really requesting and, hoping for a long-term partnership here. And when they got refused, now they're feeling embarrassed. I don't think person A has any reason to feel embarrassed. It's this person. It's this person's selfish behavior, I would say. Okay, so person A, will you take any action now? Person A just wants to get chosen. they've already chosen person B to be their one. They say, from my end, I am not confused. I'm not looking at any other options. I know the one cup that makes me tick is this one, person B. So, 7 of Cups in reverse, Spirit. 7 of Cups in reverse. 7 of Cups in reverse. Even though person A, I hope this is not you, Sagittarius, even though they know that person B never ever keeps their promises, never invests so much of time, effort, energy which has been wasted, person A is still hoping one day I will be chosen. One day my sleepless nights will end. One day I will be offered this brand new beginning which I'm praying for. This is where person A is at. So let's see, person B. Is person A waiting for the right thing, or 6 of Cups? Alright, they do want to return, it seems. But for what? 6 of Cups, Spirit, why is that an action from person B's end? 6 of Cups. Six of Cups. Six of Cups. They will come back, Sagittarius, that I can promise you. They don't like that this connection has been lost, right? So much of time, effort has gone into this connection. They don't like the fact. But do they still want to take on responsibility? I'm not so sure. This person wants to come. They may be giving to someone else as well. This person is, this is normally a card of equal give and take and whatever, but I don't see it here because it's paired by the Magician in reverse, King of Cups in reverse. Now this is manipulation. This is manipulation. This is somebody tricking the other person. This is bad behavior. This is Page of Swords in reverse. This is inconsistency, bad behavior. This is not divine healing that, you pour into my cup, I pour into yours. This is not going to be a two-way street. I'm sorry, I know you guys are going to hate me for saying this, but when I see a King of Cups and a King of Magician, the Magician in reverse, this person is just feeling very bored and lonely. They're going to come back, they're going to do the same thing, and they're going to put you back into feeling depressed and sad, and I don't know. Spirit, anything else for Sagittarius? Yeah, where is the love, Sagittarius? Is this true love? Ask yourself. Is this person coming back only for passion, or are they? Make sure they give you something before you give your all to them. They want to return. They will return, that's for sure. But are they coming to breadcrumb you again? Are they coming to emotionally manipulate you again? Are they coming to trick you again? Will they put you right back into feeling the way you're feeling now? If Sagittarius, if this is you, see where they've left you. See where they've left you right now. And here, person A is still hoping and wishing sooner or later they will return. Sooner or later, my stress and tension will go. Sooner or later, this fresh new beginning will come. So some of you it may, but overall, collective, I don't see the best signs here at the moment. Alright, so that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. I'll see you now on Friday.